suffer from fatal lung diseases for a potential new stem cell therapy. These cells, called lung spheroid cells repaired lung tissue. Millions suffer from fatal lung diseases like idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, COPD, and cystic fibrosis, where treatment options are limited. Scientists at the UNC School of Medicine and NC State University have discovered a potential new stem cell therapy. With a simple, non-invasive biopsy, doctors can collect a patient's lung cells right in the clinic. These cells, called lung spheroid cells, are expanded in the lab into millions of regenerative stem cells. In animal studies, these cells repaired lung tissue, reduced scarring, and restored healthier function. Unlike other stem cells, lung spheroid cells are lung-specific and naturally fight inflammation and fibrosis. Researchers are now working with the FDA to bring this therapy into the first clinical trials for patients with IPF. This discovery could transform treatment for fatal lung diseases, giving patients more than survival, but a chance to truly breathe again.